Okay, guys, there seems to be, with some people, some confusion about how to get to our Google Meets. All right, so this is, I'm just talking on we're starting on a blank Google search page. All right, you should have already signed in with your school account. Remember, this is our handy dandy little checkerboard or whatever you want to say, the waffle, I think they call it. So don't try and go to a lot of these like Meet through this, okay? Ignore that. Go to the classroom. The classroom is where you need to go. The classroom has all your stuff, okay? So you're going to go to a classroom. Again, you're seeing a teacher view, but let's just pretend I'm going 10th ELA. All right, so right here, guys, is right there. That is the Meet link. I've got it down here. Remember, it's saved to your agenda. I mean, it's multiple places, but you need to be going through the Google Classroom to get there, okay? So I'm doing like this. So one thing to keep in mind is that if I have not started the Google Meet, you can't join, okay? But I've already got my evil twin running it. Oh, look, there she is. So if you notice here, remember, I might have to turn off. Oh, evil twin. Okay, so notice I put it near the bottom here. It pops up. Clicking, present now. Clicking your entire screen. Clicked on that. Share. Now it's about to look really freaky. So that's it, guys. That's how we present. That's how we hear an echo. Then we want to leave. So guys, go through Google Classroom. Google Classroom, Google Classroom. Google Classroom is your place to be. That is your main thing. All right? Google Classroom. All right, guys. Google Classroom. We can do this.